Are you using the paper register to note down vehicle numbers at your hotel? Are your customers waiting in line and the security guard noting down vehicle numbers? Is noting down vehicle numbers actually a security guard's job? Or does he do it without errors? Customers today want to enjoy an easy and automated entry gate experience. The technology that solves this problem is called ANPR, Automatic Number Plate Recognition. It is a system which captures the car or bike number plates using cameras and stores this information in a simple Excel format. It works on artificial intelligence and has a life of 7 to 10 years. The benefits it has are 1. Automatic capturing of vehicle entry-exit. 2. All data is available in Excel to download and track vehicles. 3. Option for fully cloud-based, so you don't need any servers on site. 4. Easy installation and commissioning in 2 to 3 days. Bonus: it is available in an attractive rental option or one-time purchase. This system can also be integrated with boom barriers to allow or block users based on security access and can also work with displays to show available parking. We can also give you parking lot analysis and alerts for vehicles that are parked in your premises for more than 2 or 3 days. If you want to know more or buy this, call on the number given above or just WhatsApp ANPR to the number given in the description. Thank you for coming to our YouTube channel. Gaido Technologies is one of the leading smart parking technology systems provider. We provide different smart parking solutions all over India.